Have you ever tried to lift something super heavy and just couldn't do it? Or maybe you've wondered how a tiny screw can hold a big piece of furniture together? Well, the secret isn't magic, it's science. And today, we're diving into the amazing world of simple machines. These are the basic tools that have been helping people do incredible things for thousands of years. And guess what? You use them every single day without even realizing it. So, get ready to see how these 6 simple wonders make our lives a whole lot easier. First up, the lever. A lever is just a stiff bar that rests on a support called a fulcrum. Think of a seesaw on the playground. When you push down on one end, the other end goes up. By changing where the fulcrum is, you can lift heavy objects with just a little bit of force. Ever used a broom to sweep your lower hand as the fulcrum? Your upper hand provides the effort, and the bottom of the broom moves the dirt. That's a lever in action. Even a bottle opener is a lever, popping that cap off with ease. Next, let's talk about the wheel and axle. This one's pretty famous. It's a wheel connected to a smaller rod or axle so that they turn together. When you turn the wheel, the axle turns with more force. The best example, a doorknob. You turn the larger knob, and the small axle inside unlatches the door. It would be super hard to turn that tiny axle with just your fingers, right? The wheel and axle makes it a piece of cake. Bicycles, cars, and even the wheels on a wheelbarrow you might use for gardening all use this simple machine. Now, let's get things moving with a pulley. A pulley is basically a wheel with a groove for a rope. It's fantastic for lifting things straight up. Imagine you need to get a bucket of water from a deep well. Pulling it up with just a rope would be tough on your back. But if you loop the rope over a pulley, you can pull down on the rope to lift the bucket up. This changes the direction of the force, making the job much more manageable. Flagpoles use pulleys to raise the flag high, and cranes use complex pulley systems to lift massive construction materials. Feeling tired yet? Let's take the easy way up with an inclined plane. An inclined plane is just a flat, sloped surface like a ramp. Instead of lifting a heavy box straight up onto a truck, you can push it up a ramp. Sure, you're moving it a longer distance, but you're using way less force at any given moment. Wheelchair ramps are a perfect example of making spaces accessible for everyone. Even just walking up a hill is easier than climbing a vertical cliff, all thanks to the inclined plane. Now for a sharp one, the wedge. A wedge is actually 2 inclined planes put together back to back to create a sharp edge. It's used to push things apart. Think about an axe splitting a log of wood. The sharp edge forces the wood to separate. Scissors are another great example. Each blade is a wedge that slices through paper. Even your own teeth can act as wedges when you bite into an apple. A simple knife, a nail, a doorstop. They're all wedges working to make our lives simpler. Last but not least, we have the screw. A screw is essentially an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. That spiral ridge you see is called the thread. When you turn a screw, it moves into a material like wood, converting the turning motion into a powerful straight-line force. This is why screws are so good at holding things together tightly. Jar lids are another fantastic example. The spiral thread locks the lid onto the jar, keeping your food fresh. From light bulbs to water bottle caps, screws are everywhere. So there you have it, the 6 simple machines: the lever, the wheel and axle, the pulley, the inclined plane, the wedge, and the screw. They might seem simple, but they are the building blocks for almost every complex machine we use today. From opening a door to building a skyscraper, these tools help us do more with less effort. The next time you use a pair of scissors or ride your bike, take a moment to appreciate the simple science that's making your work easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science adventures.